This activity explores real-life situations that can be solved using operation research. It focuses on the transportation problem, assignment problem, and shortest path problem. So assignment problem have a two problem, the balance and unbalance. First, I'll be discussing with you the balance. And I have here a word problem. The company Quick Eats have 4 riders and 4 delivery orders. The goal is to assign each rider to one order to minimize total travel. So take note, the company wants to minimize the total travel. By answering this, I use Excel solver here. Now I'm solving the assignment problem involving rider and the time. The goal is to assign each rider to one order to minimize total travel time. I enter the cost matrix to Excel and use Hungarian method. So as you can see here, rider A have 3 assigned order and 15 minutes. Rider B have 2 assigned order and 18 minutes. Rider C have 4 assigned order and 30 minutes. Rider D have assigned order 1 and have 20 minutes. And the total minimum time is 83 minutes. This show a before versus after chart. Total time before assignment is equal to 15 minutes. After using Hungarian or Excel, the time is equal to 83 minutes. Operation research helps real-world companies like Quick Eats make data-driven decisions to save time, cut costs, and improve efficiency. Through the assignment problem, we can determine the best rider order pairings to achieve maximum productivity and customer satisfaction. So, um, we have here an unbalanced assignment problem, and I have also a word problem. So the company Quick Eats expanded operations, and now they have 5 riders, but only 4 deliveries orders available for the day. Each rider can be handled only one order, and the goal is still to minimize total travel time, since this is an unbalanced assignment problem. Because there are 5 riders and only 4 orders, we add one dummy order. So, kay 4 man sila, so 5 na sila kay mag-add man ta og dummy. But, with 0 time for all riders. This dummy represent the rider who is not assigned that day. Then, we apply the Hungarian method or use Excel solver to find the combination that gives the minimum total travel time. So, here. After running the solver using the Hungarian method, the results show the most efficient rider order, pairing that minimized total travel time for all deliveries. The solver assigned rider 1 to order 2, rider 2 to order 3, rider 4 to order 4, and rider 5 to order 1, which results in the minimum total travel time of 23 minutes. Rider 3 was assigned the dummy order, meaning he will not make any delivery that day. This is logical because there are only 4 actual orders but 5 riders. One must remain unassigned. This assignment ensures that each order is handled by exactly one rider. Each rider is given at most one task. The total operational cost travel time is minimized. And this unbalanced assignment model is directly related to the first example, the balanced one I showed. But now it is more realistic. Companies often have more workers than tasks or vice versa. By adding a dummy order, you make it solvable by standard linear programming or assignment algorithm.
So now let's move to the shortest path problem. So let's start. So, mo ni siya ang atoang problem. So, ato na lang siyang ibisaya para mas dali. So, ang usa ka company sa airline company is ga-purchase sila og tractor for a tractor trailer train para magdala sa luggage padulong og paadto sa airplane. So, a new mechanized luggage system is will be installed in 3 years. So the tractor will not be needed after that. So para dili na din gamiton ang tractor. So however, because it will heavy use, so the running and maintenance cost will increase rapidly as the tractor ages. So maintenance cost man. So it be still more economical if irisan ang tractor after 1 or 2 to 2 years. So kani siya nga table gives the total net discounted cost with purchasing a tractor, which purchase price minus trade-in allowance plus running and maintenance cost at the end of the year ay so kani siya. And trading it in the end of the year where year is 0 now. So kani siya. So we are to formulate and solve an Excel solver for this problem. So kato siya nga problem is ma-considered na to siya as shortest path problem where ang every node is nagrepresent siya sa tuig. Then ang arc is nagrepresent sa gasto kani siya. Mo ni siyang every year. Then ang kaning mga arc kani siya is ang cost or ang gasto sa pag-ilis og tractor. So next. So using an Excel solver, we obtain this result na dayon. So from from these years to this year is mauni siya ang ato ang cost. Then kani din siya diri is mauni siya ang ato ang constraints. So kani diri mauni siya. Net flow equals to supply demand. So our objective function is the total cost of 29,000, which means nga through using sa shortest path formulation, ang result nagpakita nga ang aginaanan mao ang 0, 0, 1, and ang 3. So from 0 to 1, then 1 to 3. So mao ni siya nga with a minimum value of a total of discounted cost nga 29,000. So kani siya nagpasabot nga ang mas effective nga plano mao ang pagpalit sa traktor kada tuig from tuig 0 ilisan kini pagkahuman sa usa ka tuig. Then o gamiton ang ikaduhang traktor hangtod sa ikatulo nga tuig panahon nga ma-install ang bag-ong luggage. So mao na siya. So that's all. Thank you. So, good day everyone. I will be now discussing a transportation problem using an Excel. So, let's start. So, here is our problem. So, NutriCare Philippines is ga-produce sila og 45 milk kits boxes for the use for the typhoon response. So, ang kits is gipak sa tulo ka planta sa Plant 1 dito sa Calamba, Laguna with a supply of 600 boxes. Then sa Plant 2 dito sa Clark, Pampanga, ang supply is 700 boxes. Then for Plant 3 is dito sa Mandawi, Cebu with a capacity or supply of 500 boxes. Then ang DSWD need nila mag-deliver karon na week dito sa ilang 4 ka regional warehouses which are ang customer 1 which is ang Tugigaraw Hub naga need sila or ang ilang demand is 250 boxes. Then for our customer 2, which is ang Bicol Hub, dito sa Legazpi need sila og 380 boxes. Then so on and so forth kaning naa diri. So ang shipping cost per box is in peso. So, next. So, mao din ni siya ang kaning mga values nga naa diri o is mao ni siya ang shipping cost, which means for example, from plant 1 to customer 1, ang shipping cost per item is 18 pesos. So, mao ni siya. Then ang plant 1 which has a supply of 600 man to siya, di ba? Katong na dito given ganina sa ato ang problem them, so on and so forth. Then for the demand is ang customer 1 is nag-need sila og 250 ka milk kits, di ba? Then so on and so forth. So we are so we are now we are being asked if is to minimize the total transportation cost while satisfying all supplies or demand. So mao ni siya ang ato ang objective function, ang pag-minimize sa total shipping cost. So, ang atong supply constraints, then, mao ni siya, mao ni atong constraints, then ato ang demand constraints. So, next, so, using solver, wait, no. So, using solver, mao na din ni ang ato ang na-obtain na, ay, so, so, mao man ni siya itong mga given na values, di ba, kaganina do. So, kaning yellow na part is, sa first is, zero lang sa ni siya kay as if wala pa man tayo values na na-obtain, di ba daw. So, then, mao niya to ang supply na constraints. Kani siya diri is, ato lang ning gisam from customer 1, from plant 1 is gisam na to pila iyahang na-deliver dito sa customer 1, customer 2, so on and so forth. Then for plant 2, the same lang Japon. So sa demand Japon is inaani Japon siya sa customer kung pila iyahang na-deliver. Then for kuanda yon, for our objective function is gisam product lang nato ang unsa ni ang kani sa some of product sa atong mga values diri sa babaw. So using an Excel solver, we obtain a minimum value of 21,990 pesos. So mas nadali na noon ang ato ang unsa ni ang pag-solve, di ba, kaysa i-mano-mano siya. So okay. So pinaagi sa transportation simplex method o paggamit sa Excel solver, mahimo nga makuha ang optimal distribution plan nga mao ang labing barato nga paagi sa nga pagpadala sa mga kahon gikan sa tulo ka planta padulong sa upat ka lugar. So mao to siya. So mao ni ang iyahang result. So next, let's move to the another topic, which is shortest path problem. So